Hey guys, this is Divya. Welcome to my channel Boho Beauty. In this video, I'm going to be showing you all how to do basic braids. The first type is the 3-strand braid. This is the most basic and common one. As the name says, you have to divide the hair into 3 equal parts or sections. Let's call them left, center and right. Now take the right section and cross over the center part, and take the left section and cross over the center part. So basically we need to keep crossing the outer sections over the center and we are done. Just make sure you use your fingers to separate the sections so they don't mix together. Once we are almost to the end, we can leave some hair at the tip and secure the braid with a band. The second type is the 4-strand braid. For this one, divide your hair into 4 parts. Let's call them 1, 2, 3 and 4 from left. Take the first one and cross over the second, bring it under third and finally over the fourth. Again, take the first one over second, under third and over fourth. Repeat the same for the remaining hair. The third one is the 5-strand braid. For this one, divide the hair into 5 parts. It can be quite difficult to hold the sections, so please use your fingers in between the sections to separate them. You can also get someone's help to hold a couple of sections for you in the beginning until you get comfortable on your own. Let's call the sections 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 from left. Now take the 5th one and cross over the 4th and under 3rd. Similarly, take the first one and cross over the 2nd and under the 3rd. Let me repeat the steps. 5th one goes over the 4th and under 3rd. And first one goes over the 2nd and under the 3rd. Basically, we are creating 2 3-strand braids, one on left and one on right, with the 3rd strand as a common for both. The fourth one is everyone's favorite, which is the fishtail braid. To create this one, divide the hair into two sections. Now take a small section from the top part of left side and bring it to the center, creating a 3-strand. Similarly, take a small section from the top part of the right section and cross over the center strand so it joins with the left section. Again, small section from left side, bring it to center, and small section from right side and join to the left. That's it. The fifth one is the rope twist braid. For this one, divide the hair into two sections. Twist both the sections in the same direction. I am twisting both of them in anti-clockwise direction. Once you feel they are tightly twisted, cross them in clockwise direction, meaning as we roll the section from right to left, now cross over the left section over right. Keep twisting and crossing them while ensuring the twist is tight enough. That's it. We are done with 5 basic braids. You can get creative and customize these however you want it to be. For school, college or office look, you can just leave it with a band at the end or just roll them and make a textured bun. For special occasions, you can also add accessories or some flowers. Hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Do try them and tag me in your Insta pics or Facebook posts. Please provide your feedback on the comment section below, and if you'd like to watch more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.